Good morning, AP Computer Science students. Today is Monday, November 30th, and just highlighting what we're going to be doing today. So you go into our folder, look at the 30th. We are doing nested loops today. There is just a couple of videos here to watch. And then I actually don't have it posted here, but I'll post another like optional nested loops video from the University of Purdue. So that's another follow-up thing you can watch if you want. But it's basically just to learn nested loops. During the lesson, I would have an editor open, whether that's Eclipse or the online editor, just you can follow along and do some of the programming with me on these two videos. And then looking ahead, I'll give you a couple assignments Tuesday, some AP Site questions along with a practice test, right? And both of those will be due when you take the test Friday. Okay, and then the other days this week, we'll have a review and quiz Wednesday, just a straight regular review day Thursday, and again, the test on Friday. The programming exercises, I put a little note up here. I'll give you over the weekend to finish them up. So I'll have them due Sunday at midnight this week. So that's what's coming down the pipe here. So test Friday and programs due the following Monday, and everything else is here in the folder. As always, if you have any questions or need help with these programming exercises, just reach out, send me an email. All right, that's it. Hope you are doing well.